Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into something crucial yet often overlooked, your iPad's battery health. Apple gives us the tools to monitor our iPhone and Mac's battery, but what about the trusty old iPad? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Knowing the exact battery cycle count and maximum capacity of your iPad's battery can save you from any performance hiccups or dreaded dead battery situations. So stick around as we explore 2 easy methods to check your iPad's battery health. Most people don't know that your iPad maintains and shares analytics reports to help improve your experience. You can use these analytics reports to find the battery health of your iPad. Since the analytics reports are hard to read, we'll first install a shortcut that will parse the file and give us the battery details. You can find the link for the shortcut in the video description. Click on the link to open the shortcut in Safari and tap on the Get Shortcut button. Tap the Open button and then use the Add Shortcut button to add the shortcut to your library. And that's it. Now that we have added the shortcut, we will use it to read the analytics report to find our iPad's battery health. Launch the Settings app and open the Privacy and Security settings. Scroll to the bottom and open the Analytics and Improvement settings. Tap the Analytics Data option to view the analytics files. You will see dozens of analytics files here. Tap the latest file to get the most up-to-date information. For example, I will open the analytics report generated on 8th May as that's the latest file. Use the share button in the top right corner to share the file with the shortcut we added. Tap on Always Allow to grant the shortcut permission to run and open the results. And that's it. As you can see in the screenshot, my iPad Pro has hit 161 cycles with maximum battery capacity down to 89%. Ideally, you should replace the battery of an Apple device once it falls below 80%. So right now, we are good to go. If you have not enabled the Share Analytics feature on your iPad, you won't see any new reports. It takes almost a week to generate the report even after you turn it on for the first time. If you don't want to wait that long, you can use a third-party app to check the battery health of your iPad. While you can find several apps on the iPad App Store that claim to test the battery health, most of them don't work and are riddled with unskippable video ads. To test the iPad battery health, we will use a Mac app called Coconut Battery 3. And yes, it means that you will need a Mac to run this app. You can click on the link in the video description to download and install the app's free trial from its website. To check your iPad's battery health, simply connect your iPad to your Mac using USB-C cable and launch the Coconut 3 battery app. Click on the iOS device option to see the battery health. You can use the battery info page to see the age of the battery and its manufacturing date. As you can see, the battery health report of the app is approximately in the range of the report we found via the analytics file. And that's about it for this guide. We are hoping that Apple considers adding a built-in battery health feature in iPadOS soon. But until then, these methods should keep you covered. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Apple tips and tricks.